One beat maker, the hit maker, the hit maker, the hit maker.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.
Welcome to the mind of a maniac. Pistol on my hip like a motherfucking fanny pack. Nasty on the mic cause everything I spit is sick. Goons blitzing your ass. Are you niggas scared to take a hit? Bring it to my front door. Pistol at your damn throat. Smoke you in your mans. Your parents breathe in the damn smoke. Run it back, make sure you don't run that over here. Watches on my guns. You not living through this time up there. Hang them from the ceiling like a motherfucking chandelier. Drive you niggas crazy, don't be in the headlights, my dear. Roll kill, roll rage, bad combination. Money talks to me. I'm enjoying the conversation. Bring the bass, bring the noise. You gon' need an eardrum. Put a stack on your head. Nigga, you can be my grandson. Precision aim, everything I hit is something vital. Kobe in the clutch, maybe Jordan in the finals. You niggas can't see the money. Your woman see me stunting. Every day's a party, living life like it's nothing. Roll another one, nigga. It's gonna be a long flight. Wanna talk about commitment? I'm giving bitches the tone like. Don't call me with that bullshit. I don't wanna talk about it. All I wanna talk about is money. If you ain't helping me get it, or you ain't talking about giving it to me, then don't call me at all. Look at what I done became, coulda never foreseen it. 2 shots, so paralyze a nigga, paraplegic. Party like a rock star, take shots, no chase, and I don't like treble. So DJ bring me in some bass. I'm the best until a motherfucker show me otherwise. Shoot me, you niggas funny like them fucking other guys. Shoot you in your sleep, you can never be surprised. And I'm loving this shit, cause now my money's supersized. Melokos, man. Goons ride with me, but you know I keep them dead men. Yeah, money in my pocket. Launch a nigga NASA rocket, shooting star out of space. Talking shit, nigga stop it. Flowers for the dead. Nah man, I'm sending cocktails. It ain't a funeral, it's a celebration. Cause you not here, rest in paradise. Nah nigga, rest in hell. I'm Niagara Falls, and you other niggas fail. Locked up with the money, I'm too cheap to post bail. And talk is cheap, so throw them quarters in my wishing well. I'm the fucking greatest hoe. Riding with my niggas though, yeah I run this shit like a motherfucking general. Lyrically insane, go crazy on the beat. Money talks, so you niggas shouldn't try and speak. I'm talking for days, and them bills piled up. I'm talking numbers, so tell your nigga dial up. I don't want your girl, nigga your girl want me. Make a nigga do math, what's 3 times 3? 9. You ain't gotta say it, but you see it. Y'all niggas is pussy. Tell my girl I wanna eat it. MJ nigga, tell your girl I wanna beat it. Prove I'm the greatest. Y'all niggas wanna be it. Competition? Shit, nigga, show me where it's at. Blackjack killers for your life. I'll place the bet. 21. Nope. They ain't ready. I don't mean to sound cruel, cold-hearted, nothing, but at this point in my life, I got moves to make. If you ain't helping make them, you ain't got nothing to talk about. And again, if you want to call me with that bullshit, this is what you're gonna hear.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again.